Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Morgan and I'm obsessed with all things beauty and skincare related. I love nature, I love animals, and I've been a little absent from my channel the past 2 weeks because I've just been like really busy. And if you don't know me, I have like fibromyalgia and all that, and like chronic fatigue and post-viral fatigue syndrome. So it's a little hard for me to multitask sometimes. So when I disappear, it's not because I'm being like lazy or anything. It's just hard for me to multitask. So I show my dog in the AKC. I have a red-bone coonhound. So I took him to wine country. It's called the Wine Country Dog Circuit. And it's just really hard for me to vlog, show my dog, and be competitive at the same time. I used to try to do that, but I realized that it's way too hard for me to compete and like vlog, and it's too hard. And then by the time I come home, I'm just very tired and it's just very hard for me to do. So I did want to get some vlog up, and I want to get some footage up on my channel because I hate being absent for too long. It's just not fun. It's not cool. And it's just like, wait, where's Morgan? And like, where am I on my channel? So cheers to that. You guys, look at this mug. It's from Pottery Barn. Isn't it the cutest thing? They have a black one, they have an orange one, and they have a white one. Oh, I'm down here. Hi. So I want to take you guys with me today because I just need to get this fly. What? Oh my God. I'm watching two flies mate. In today's video, I am just gonna take you with me vlogging because I just have a lot of stuff to do, a lot of stuff going on in the skincare game right now. I don't have anything new to vlog because I'm in the testing phase. I'm still using Auteur. I'm using all my Auteur products at night. So I've been still loving my Auteur products. I'm gonna link them down below for you guys. I've done reviews on all the Auteur products that I'm using. I've been using my Composition #1 cream. Still love this. Use this every single night after I cleanse. It's awesome. Very good anti-aging serum. And then of course I finish it with my Definitive Density cream right here by Auteur. Still love this product a lot. And I still have my Auteur cleanser that I use every night. I did purchase the Caudalie Premier Crew The Eye Cream right here. I've been using a lot of it. I'm actually almost out of it and I feel like I just purchased it. I will do a review of it for you guys. It's so new for me. I hate like doing reviews premature because I really love to give you guys a thorough review, but a review is coming. Love the applicator on this guy, but I don't want to give too much information yet because I feel like I just bought it. It's great for dark circles so far. And you guys, I bought this piece of real estate for my neck, the La Mer Neck and Décolleté Concentrate right here. So a review will be coming on that. So that's what's kind of going on in my skincare life. So just stay tuned for that. And also I'm going to be vlogging. I just found out that that I have chestnut trees on my property. So yeah, check this out. Chestnuts, American chestnuts. I have 3 huge chestnut trees and I spent the day harvesting them yesterday. They're pretty easy to harvest. They're huge. Oh my God, I just dropped one. Like they're huge, they're amazing, they're great for the holidays. You guys know I have my big open hearth fireplaces and I'm definitely planning on roasting these. I'm thinking I'm going to bag them and try to sell them locally because I have so many of them that it's like, doesn't make sense to keep these, and they're honestly great and they're kind of hard to find. They're kind of rare, and I read that there's like a shortage on chestnuts, and I think these would be great to sell during the holiday season or before to people who just really want to roast chestnuts around an open fire. My husband and I have been working a lot on our open hearth fireplaces. If you've been following me, you'll know we have these big old-time fireplaces in our home that we're trying to get up and running if you've been following me on Instagram. So I'll show you those. Let's like get harvesting. Let's go get some wood and like just follow me around for the day. Let's go.